Have you ever been in a race where someone says they'll run you all motor, but you've got a sneaking suspicion that they might be lying? Sometimes racers aren't always honest. They'll often lie about how fast their car is just to get the edge over you. But what can you do about it? You can go incognito with Nitrous Express's Incognito Dry Nitrous System. Our Incognito Nitrous System is the perfect way to get an advantage over your opponent without them even knowing what hit them. The system includes extremely compact components so you can keep your system as hidden as possible. It comes complete with a 31 thousandths orifice nitrous solenoid, stainless steel bottle brackets in the 1 pound aluminum nitrous bottle, jetting for 5 to 35 horsepower, a master arming switch, and a wide open throttle switch. The solenoid can even be operated by a 9-volt battery for even more concealability. The low horsepower jetting is designed to give you the edge without making a big show of anything. This is easily the smallest, most compact nitrous system on the market. If you're looking to stay off the competitor's radar, this is exactly what you need. For more information on this system or any of our other products, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.